What is up, YouTube? I am back here with another video, and on this video is going to be a trade recap on Tuesday's trade, which is going to be Tuesday, which was the 25th of November of 2025. It is currently 12 a.m. where I stay at, so it's really late. I'm recording this super late. I'm really tired, so my bad, guys. If I sound kind of dumb or like dead, it's just because I'm so fucking tired right now. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started on this trade recap on Tuesday. It was on a SPY trade, and once again, I alert these on my Discord. I live trade every single day on my Discord, and yeah, make sure you guys join. I talk to you guys on there, and if you guys need extra help, we can always hop on a call and work things out, back test together. You know, basically teach you. I'll basically give you a one-on-one, but just on the premium version, right? But make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. It's gonna be in the link of my bio. Follow me on TikTok, Twitter, and then make sure you guys like and subscribe to this YouTube video. Alright, but let's go ahead and get started, right? So we are on Friday, right? So there's no trades today, which is Thursday. Um Basically Thanksgiving Day. So there's no trades, so we are on Tuesday, right? So we wanna replay this. Start new. What the hell? And we want to go all the way to Tuesday. All right, so this is the daily Monday candle, and we want to mark it, right? Because we're going to be trading Tuesday, so we want to mark our previous daily high and daily low, which was Monday. All right, we want to go to the higher time frames, and we want to see any key levels that we see in this potential area. Okay, so for me, I didn't see any key levels on the 4 hour, nor did I see it on the 1 hour, right? But I see one right here. Mine, right there. All right, this is the key level right here. We tapped in once, tapped in twice, tapped in 3 times. We broke through, consolidated in our area, broke through again, broke down again, came back, retested our this key level, came back down, and now we are up. Alright, so now we go to the 1 hour, 30, 15, 5. Alright, so basically what the key level basically is just basically to identify where do you think market is going to go. If it's respecting your key level, then of course you want to go for buys, right? Because we're already above our key level. But if it's disrespecting your key level, meaning that if it passes through, then we would obviously go for sells. Okay, so this key level, let's see what this does. All right, so all right, market had opened, right? So the what I was looking at, as you guys can see, this was at 640, which was give us an ugly ass candle, which market hasn't opened. But when market had opened, which was at 8:30, boom, it had gave me this. All right, so I see here that we had news at 640, but at the same time I see this right here. I see this supply zone, right? So once market decided to open, right, you see this EMA as right here, right? This EMA, we had broken this EMA to the upside, okay? But we had a 5 minute supply zone retested off our previous daily high. So I was like, okay, previous daily high respect, it got respected, and also our supply zone is getting respected. Okay, so I took this trade by, even though the EMA was we broken above, even though the key level already had gotten tapped in during the London session, I still decided to take sells just because of the previous daily high and our supply zone. Okay, so right here I decided to go for why does it look like that, for sells, right? So I didn't enter immediately once it tapped my box. I entered on break of the candle, stop loss like this, and my take profit was right here. Okay, so as you guys can see, I usually should be going for all of these lows, but I always go for the nearest low or a 1 or 2, right? So right here, as you guys can see, we fucking smashed through our TP. Smashed through our fucking TP, right? So if I would have held this trade, I would have possibly made almost $1,000 to $2,000 on this trade, right? Just by risking that, however much I risk between 1 to 3 contracts, right? Depending on how big my SL is, right? But as you guys can see, beautiful fucking trade, and it also respected my key level, right? Never disrespected it, never broke through. It respected my key level. If we go in the higher time frames, you see this big ass rejection. I could have gone for sells and buys, but I decided to go for sells, and look how it did. Such a beautiful trade, but I decided to take this, and look how much I missed out on. Two big ass Diddy candles. But it is what it is. I made my money and I'm out of there, right? It's so simple. Simple as that, guys. Do not overcomplicate trading. There's nothing to overcomplicate trading about, right? All you gotta do is just learn the basics, learn what the market wants to go, and just follow it. That's basically it. And but yeah, that is basically how I took this trade, why I took this trade, and look at it. As you guys can see, we fucking smashed through our TP. But yeah, that is basically it on my trade recap. And this is on Tuesday's trade. I also took a trade to Wednesday, which was yesterday, the 26th. And I'm gonna show you guys a trade on that as well, trade recap on that as well on my next video. But yeah, this is basically on how I took my trade. I know it look. I don't know if you guys think. If you guys think this looks sloppy, I don't think it looks sloppy. I think it just basically. I mark out my zones just to basically know what the hell I'm looking at. You know. But yeah, other than that, I didn't see anything else. I didn't see anything else on gold. I didn't see anything else on NQ. SPY was basically the move, and then from there, I made my money, got out of there. But yeah, other than that, guys, that's gonna be it for this trade recap. I'm gonna post Wednesday's trade, which was yesterday. And yeah, but other than that, guys, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Make sure you guys join my Discord. And also, if you guys are brand new to trading and want to learn trading, DM me on Instagram and I can help you guys out a lot. And yeah, make sure you guys follow me on TikTok, Instagram. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.